Here is a question most of us cannot answer. When is your dog's next booster actually due? Not roughly, exactly. The certificate exists somewhere, in a drawer or a folder or a photograph on your phone. But a certificate records what already happened. It does not tell you what happens next. This is the Pet Care and Records Binder, a 15-tab workbook, plus a Start Here guide, a 22-page playbook, and 12 print and fill pages. 46 pages of PDF in all, and one spreadsheet that does the arithmetic your paperwork never could. It opens in Excel, in LibreOffice, in Numbers, and in Google Sheets, where you get a real sheet you copy with one click. Not a file you import and hope survives the trip. Every formula, every drop-down, every color rule already set up and tested there. The Care Dashboard is where you start each time you open it. 1 row per animal, and nothing on it is typed. Which pet is overdue? What is coming up? Whose vaccinations have lapsed? Which medications need a refill? And what you have spent on each of them this year. Underneath that, every pet's care items pooled into a single list and sorted by date. So the question stops being how is each animal doing, and starts being the one you actually needed answered. What do I do next? All of it comes from 2 things you type on the care schedule: when something was last done and how often it repeats. The sheet works out the next date, counts the days, and labels the row. And the warning window scales with the interval. So a monthly preventative never sits permanently amber and stops meaning anything. Now the part you will use most. Pick a pet from one drop-down, and the sitter handoff sheet assembles itself. The microchip number, the markings, the temperament warnings a stranger genuinely needs. Every meal with its amount and its timing, every medication with its dose, your vet, and a 24-hour clinic. And at the bottom of that page, the block almost nobody leaves behind. A caregiver who is not the owner generally cannot authorize treatment on their own, and a clinic that cannot reach you has no direction on payment. So name an amount you are comfortable with, and a second contact who can decide if you are away. Sign it and hand it over with the key. The vaccination record is built for what a boarding kennel actually checks: dates, validity, the clinic, the lot number off the certificate. It flags a lapse 45 days ahead rather than 30, because a certificate has to still be valid on the last night of a stay, not just the first. Medications carry the dose exactly as the label reads, the time of day it is given, and a count of the days left before you need a refill, which then travels to the sitter sheet on its own, without you rewriting it before every trip. Log what you spend, and the cost of care tab totals it. Per pet, per category, for the year, and per month, against a budget you set. Give it 1 full year and you will have the number almost nobody has, the one you want in front of you when the insurance question comes up. There is a warmer half to a pet's record, too. The register carries the adoption date, the gotcha day, and works out how long you have had them. The dashboard tells you whose anniversary is next. The milestones tab holds the firsts, with their age on the day worked out for you. And for everything that happens away from a screen, 12 pages to print. A pet profile, the handoff, the authorization, wallet cards for the glove box, and a lost pet flyer to fill in now while nothing is wrong, because nobody composes one well during the hour it matters. A blank spreadsheet asks you to build all of this yourself. An app asks you to keep paying and can be discontinued while your animal's whole history sits inside it. This is the file in between. Download it once from Ardent Workshop and keep it for as long as your animals need it.